Riding my car, ain't stunting. Window down and I'm sliding. I got a pocket full of money, but niggas be thinking I'm childish. I been doing this on my own. What make you think that you can stop me? Nope. I just been getting that bag. That bag been coming too empty. Nigga, it done got heavy. Thought I had me a Simmons. Nigga making all they moves. Might as well be the Senate. Nigga, I'm like a major because I got all the trumpets.
Cari crew, what it do, man? Hey, man, the wind blowing, but y'all just bear with me. But listen, we hit 5K, as y'all can see. I'm turning the camera around. We hit 5K, man. I'm so excited, bro. Like, I don't even know, like, bro, this is a crazy feeling, y'all. I done passed 5K. Welcome to all my new subscribers, man. All my new subscribers. I'm showing y'all the outside. You know, I got a lot of new subscribers, but this is Olivia. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? My Scatpack 392. Carbon fiber stripes, if you can't tell. You know what I'm saying? Carbon fiber stripe with that hints of yellow. She dirty right now. You know what I'm saying? With the head cat rips. You know what I'm saying? Got the head cat rip 392. You know what I'm saying? Car beats on the side. Wicker bill. You know what I'm saying? Wicker bill going crazy. Sorry about this wind, y'all. Like I said, like every time, y'all know what season it is, but I had to check out the back of Olivia, man. Y'all can't tell me the back of Olivia don't look good, man. Look at that, man. I can't tell me the back of Olivia don't look good. It's like my favorite part of the car almost, like this angle. And I put in new lights, by the way. I put in new lights, by the way. They're not red and yellow no more. Cari crew. They're not red and yellow no more, man. They white. Hopefully y'all can see it. Yeah. They white now, man. Y'all people Olivia with the white. You know what I'm saying? Got the white lights all the way around. White lights all the way around, man. But yeah, all my new subscribers, man, y'all turn on that post notification bell, man, so you won't miss another banger from me, man. Turn on that post notification bell, hit that like button, man, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe, man. But yeah, Cari crew. I just want to give y'all the outside view for all my new subscribers, because some of y'all may not watch the other video to see what she look like, because the past couple videos have been straight in the whip. But this is Olivia, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know what y'all think. You know what I'm saying? I think she look good. You know what I'm saying? Obviously, everybody got their own opinion. But yeah, she look pretty good, man. So y'all just let me know. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about that. But Cari crew, man, we finna hop straight into it. This is part 3, man. Drifting. Every turn I make part 3. And I seen a lot of folks in the comments. I remember what y'all said. You know, a lot of y'all like, you ain't drifting and you ain't, you know what I'm saying? Let me get in the car. Man. Let me get in the car so y'all can really hear me, man. But yeah, y'all was like, turn that tag off. I can't see how it looks, so y'all don't judge me. But y'all was like, man, you ain't drifting every turn. The last video, bro, I said it in the video for the people that actually watched the whole video or watched the main part of the video. I said, man, I don't even feel like a drifting video because I ain't slid yet because it was cops out and traffic was everywhere. So then after I said that, when I started sliding, a lot of folks got to that part, a lot of folks didn't. But I appreciate the folks that subscribed, the people that was saying whatever comment. That don't bother me, by the way, because I'm glad you watched the video. That means I'm doing something right if I got people like that trying to criticize everything I do, you know what I'm saying? But it's all love though at the end of the day. But Cari crew, that's what we doing today, man. Drifting, every turn I make part 3. This one's gonna be a banger. Last video right now was at like 64K, bro. 64K, bro. Less than 2 weeks, I think. Less than 2 weeks, bro. So, bro, we need this video to hit 100K, bro. We need the video to hit 100K in less than 2 weeks, bro. So y'all run it up, hit that like button. I need for to get, bro. Last video got almost 2K likes. We need 2K likes again. Really, at least 1K, bro. 1K likes do it for me, but if y'all can get the 2K likes in this video, man, I really highly appreciate that. But sorry for the intro being so long. I had to talk to y'all, man, because we hit 5,000, bro. I've been talking about this for a minute. Roll to 10K, man. Get your boy to 10K the quick way and follow me on Instagram. It will be in the description down below. But with that being said, hope my lips ain't chapped. But with that being said, Cari crew, man, next clip y'all gonna be, you know what I'm saying? POV Vision. Peace. Cari crew. All right, man. As y'all can see, we are in POV style, man. Put my seatbelt on. I wanted to start it out like this. Well, not start it out like this, but like, you know, actually crank the carb and everything like that, because I know people like POV and just see how it look on the inside, cause I love them, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, man, just for this video, I'm gonna drive Olivia in track. Y'all know I don't drive Olivia in track, man, but we doing that today. You know what I'm saying? I don't drive her in track, but that's what we doing today. I'm just checking the angle, my bad. That's why I keep looking at my wrist. Make sure them are recording just a little laggy, a little bit. But we're going straight. I got like a little under half a tank of gas, but we're going in track, man. Going in track. These windows. I might spin it for y'all just like 1 or 2 times, bro. Just cause we hit 5K car crew, I gotta turn up for car crew, man. I gotta turn up for y'all, man. Man, like, bro, y'all don't understand car crew. I'm so happy, bro. I know 5K ain't a lot, man, to a lot of people, bro, but everybody had to hit it. You know what I'm saying? Everybody had to do it. You feel me? But yeah, car crew, I might give y'all a quick little circle. I ain't even know what car down there. If somebody in there, oh well, I ain't bothering you anyway. I don't know what you even know here for. But car crew, this for y'all, man. Give y'all quick few little circle. Olivia loud, so I ain't gonna go too crazy with it. Hey, man, that was for y'all, man. And I spun that for a good little bit, too. I ain't gonna cap it. Hopefully that wind don't bother y'all too much. But y'all gotta hear Olivia today, man. I ain't gonna cap. We hit 5K car crew, y'all. And we in track mode with it, traction all the way out. Shit. That track different. Y'all ain't heard Olivia in track, boy. And that barely tapping the gas. Y'all ain't heard nothing. Hey, man, I'm lit today, man. I'm lit today, man. Excuse me talking. I ain't gonna try to talk too much, because people was out talking too much last time. But I ain't know that video gonna go crazy like that, so I ain't gonna talk too much this time. Try not to, anyway. But I'm just happy, man. Again, y'all subscribe. That track is crazy. Oh my, bro. I don't drive my car in track, bro. I be in custom, bro. I do not put my car in sport or track like that. But nigga, what? Listen to this bit. Listen to them pop, man. Oh my goodness. That's crazy. Oh my Lord, do y'all hear that? Bro, that... Oh my God. Hey, man. Bruh. Hey, man, like the video, man. Like the video, man. Boy, I don't know why I feel so turned today, man. I gotta turn around. I want to turn right there. Hey, man. Listen to the, oh my. Bro, track is crazy, bro. Track is, I know y'all probably like, man, you don't drive your car in track? Duh, I did it before. I'm just saying, like. Since y'all say I wasn't drifting that bit, I'm drifting that bit today. I'm drifting that bit today. What y'all want to do? Cari Crew, all the folks. I hope y'all watching again. The same people that were watching. I'm doing it today. Everybody saying power slide. Y'all know what I mean, man. It ain't no power slide. I never heard of a power slide before. What is a power slide, man? I ain't never heard nothing like that. Man, a drift is a drift, my boy. Don't tie a skirt, and that car ain't straight. It's a drift. This ain't Need for Speed. I ain't saying I'm Hello Jensen. You know what I'm saying? But come on now. Yeah, man. So I turn right? No, I should, yeah. Ooh, I know y'all heard that pop, man. Bro. Turn me up, man. Y'all know I'm just straight driving. I ain't even talking this video, bro. It's just straight action, man. Straight action. Straight action. I'm turning around, though. If this road was wider, cause you definitely can't slide on this. I'm finna come off the grass already. Oh man. Cari Crew, Cari Crew, Cari Crew. Bro, that never gets old, man. That never gets old, bro. Lot doing this, boy. You need a alignment after a while, boy. But yeah, Cari Crew, man, I had to give y'all some real. crazy. I ain't gonna even lie. That track mode is crazy. Yeah, that track mode crazy. Hold the wind when hitting the window, hitting the mic too much, man. But hey, that track mode crazy, Cari Crew. Man, y'all hit that like button, bro. Hit that like button and subscribe, man. I done slid for y'all. I done drifted up and down the street, burning rubber up and down the street, bro. Whatever you want to call it. I ain't gonna say burning rubber because it wasn't no smoke, nothing. But y'all get what I'm trying to say, man. But hey, man, like how I said, man, hit that. I ain't gonna do it right here. I'm gonna let y'all know that now. Y'all gonna be like, oh, what happened? I ain't gonna do it right here. But hey, man, I'm finna turn around right here. But hey, man, like I said, Cari Crew, y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. For all my new viewers that watch right now, run this video up 1K likes at least. Get this video up to 100K, man. 100K views, man. I need the video to 100K views, man. I need it, man. I hope it do. But y'all get that video in the algorithm, man. Like I said again, congratulations to me and us on the 5K, man. We're going up. Slowly but surely, we're going up, man. But y'all keep running it up, man. I appreciate all the love, man, all the support. You know what I'm saying? All y'all subscribe, man. Hit that subscribe button on the road to 10K. Get your boy to 10K the quick way. You feel me? But that's gonna be a wrap for this video, as y'all can tell, man. Hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Like I said, hit that like button, man. If you did, leave a comment on what was your favorite part or whatever, you know what I'm saying, you like, man. But like I said at the end of my videos, you got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone. Do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit, and you can touch it, you know what I'm saying? Don't let nobody tell you no, just believe. Have a good plan, believe in your, you know what I'm saying, your dream or goal, and you know what I'm saying, execute it. It's gonna be hard at first. It seems like it's not gonna work. It seems like you ain't getting nowhere, or you slowly progressing. But if you don't quit, bruh, you never know. When you quit, though, you know you ain't gonna make it. But if you keep doing it, you will eventually make it, man. You will eventually make it. People hate that word eventually, but that's life. You gotta be real, you know what I'm saying? But also, man, like I said at the end of my videos, for all my religious people, man, keep God first, keep him in the mix, you know what I'm saying? Talk to him, pray to him, you know what I'm saying? Every day, give time to him, give thanks to him, man. Just tell him thank you for the things you got. Be grateful, you know what I'm saying? Because a lot of people are in worse position than you are, whether you believe it or not, you know what I'm saying? So thank God for what you got, you know what I'm saying? And just be grateful, you know what I'm saying? And just, y'all know, man, y'all know how they go. Just keep them in the mix, keep them in your life, man. I'm telling you, it makes a big difference, and you feel a whole lot different about life, you know what I'm saying? You look at life in a whole different way. That's for all my religious people. I know a lot of y'all probably clicked off the video by this part, but that's cool too, man. But just make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. Leave a comment down below. We on the road to 10K, man. And I'm out. Peace.